Question 3.8. Why is recycling plastic not more effective according to the details provided in paragraph 2? If we go back to paragraph 2, we see here that plastic waste does not get recycled due to the complexity of sorting and processing various types of plastics. And then they give examples on what happens when recycling cannot take place. So if we look at the options here, A lack of public interest in participating in recycling programs. Okay, fair enough, that might be a possible solution, but paragraph 2 does not directly refer to a lack of public interest, so we can eliminate option A. We know that that might be a great contributor to the lack of recycling, but not necessarily this text. B, difficulty in achieving international consensus on recycling standards. That also might be true, as countries will have different regulations on how plastic waste and other waste gets managed. So we can put a question mark, but perhaps not mentioned in paragraph 2. Option C, variability and complexity in these types of plastics, needing sorting and processing. In paragraph 2, there's a direct reference to the lack of sorting and processing, as that is very difficult to do. And if people do not participate properly and there aren't international consensus, then option C will be very hard to execute. So we can put a question mark there. That is definitely a good solution to our question. And lastly, option D, insufficient technological advances in recycling machinery. They do not refer to technology in paragraph 2, but we know that this could be a potential threat to recycling effectively. However, we can go with option C, as this has been directly mentioned from text 2 of how challenging it is to recycle because of how complicated the sorting and processing is.